So story time. Back a really long time ago when I first got in the real estate business and I was a very hungry baby agent, I lived in Richwood in a neighborhood in town in Richmond, and there was a local bank that had, this was back in foreclosure season too, this was 2008 and 9, and when I first got in the business, and there was a foreclosure in my neighborhood, in the front of the neighborhood, and it was owned by a local bank. They had taken it back in deed of lieu of foreclosure. Well, I took it upon myself to offer the bank, hey, can I mow the grass at this listing? It's in my neighborhood. If I mow the grass, could I have the listing? Well, they said yes, and I did mow the grass until I sold that house, but that relationship started there, and I went on to sell all of the foreclosures for that local bank for probably 2 or 3 years after that, and we sold at least 10 to 15 homes a year, and because I reached out and offered to do whatever it takes to get the job done, I created a relationship with the asset manager, and it was very fruitful for me. So when agents come to me or tell me, they're like, oh no, I can't spend money on marketing and all this stuff. I'm like, honey, I mowed the grass when I was 23 years old, and I didn't have a regular lawnmower. I was some sort of green person, and I had an old school where it chops it up with sharp blades. I did that. It was really good exercise too, to get a listing. So you got to do whatever it takes.